you may have noticed, class, we have a new student. His name is Robin.
Robin? That's a bird's name. Does he eat worms?
That's quite enough, George. Mind your manners.
Sorry about that. He usually likes people.
Hey, look at all the birds. A flock of birds just attacked a lady and her dog.
Birds don't attack people. Now, everyone back to their desks. As you know, today we're going to the bird sanctuary. Does anyone know what the study of birds is called? Yes, Robin.
What?
He's going to talk.
Kid. The study of birds is called ornithology. Scientists say birds have been around for 140 million years. There are over 8,650 different species of birds. Some people estimate that there are over 100 billion birds now in the world.
Well, that's more than we really need to know. Thank you, Robin.
The bus is here to bring us to the bird sanctuary.
All right, class. Now make your way to the school bus.
I know you want to come, Fang, but it's a bird sanctuary. You understand. It would be like bringing a mouse to a cheese factory.
I don't care if he can hear me, George. The new kid is a total bird brain.
Poor Robin. It must be tough being the new kid.
Are you all right?
Perhaps you were standing too close to a bird's nest.
The cat's back! And the stupid bird just attacked me. I hate birds.
There's something weird about that new kid.
And here at the bird sanctuary, our resident expert ornithologists claim there are over 200 different species of birds. Yes?
Can you tell us why the barn swallow chooses barns, an unnatural habitat, in which to build their nests and raise their young?
No.
Well, I read in Ornithology Quarterly Review that unlike other swallows, barn swallows...
Quiet, bird brain.
All right, let's go bird watching. Hey, could it be a blue-beaked sapsucker?
Whoa, he's a bird boy.
Help! Help! Birds attacked me! They attacked!
Are you all right, George? Is that normal? Do birds attack?
They have been acting a little strange lately.
And I know why.
Are you gonna take us for a ride on that bulldozer?
No, the bulldozer's here to widen the bird pond. It's getting a little overcrowded.
Wow, a bird boy. He should have his own comic book. think I'll go for a walk. I'm full.
Is that all you're having for lunch, Robin?
He even eats like a bird.
That's because he's a bird brain.
Uh-oh.
Robin heard Angela insult him again. Do you think he'll...
Look!
Birds everywhere. Children, I don't want anyone to panic, but I want everyone to carefully and slowly make their way onto the bus without scaring the birds which have malevolently surrounded us.
That a kid that harmless looking could be so bad.
Robin! Run, Robin! Look out for the birds!
You know what, Charlie? I don't think he's bad at all. I think he just needs someone to be nice to him for a change. Hey, Robin, how would you like an apple?
An apple? For me? Sure. Thank you. The white-tipped wingbirds of Polynesia love apples.
The bird expert says the birds attacked us at the sanctuary because we scared them, and not, as I said earlier, because birds want to annihilate the human race. But just in case, we're dismissing classes early, so go straight home as fast as your little legs will carry you. Sorry, Robin, you won't get to show us your amazing collection of bird photographs today. Class dismissed.
I think he's upset because he didn't get to show everyone his bird photo album.
And when Bird Boy gets upset, look out. We've got to stop him.
I want everyone to stay calm. Calm, I tell you.
What are you going to do about the birds? Blitzy and I cannot take it anymore.
Hey, what you gonna do about it? Gotta get rid of these birds!
Stop the birds!
Bird Boy's gotta be around here somewhere. There he is!
There's nothing to panic about. The very idea that birds would attack people is absurd.
Squawk! 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 Squawk!
We're too late!
There's nothing to panic about.
Okay, Zapman, Princess Giant, move in. We've got him surrounded.
I surrender! We're done for!
Fang! Okay, Bird Boy, your plan to use the birds to take over the town has failed.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You mean you don't even realize that you transform into a bird-human hybrid? That commands birds to attack whoever you're angry at? First Angela, then George, then the whole class, and then the whole town.
I do? Wow! But I wasn't angry at the whole town.
Then why are the birds attacking?
It's a lot of the same species that are usually at the bird sanctuary, and they're displaying alarming behavior. If you can get this cat off me, I have an idea we might check out at the bird sanctuary.
His name is Fang. Just pet him. He'll like you. Maybe not.
Well, Robin, you're a big hero. Getting everyone to expand the bird pond without using the bulldozer has sure made the birds happier.
It was Mona who made me realize the birds were only attacking the town because they were angered by the bulldozer.
Birds don't get angry. They were confused because of the bulldozer. Birds have brains the size of a peanut. They're dumb.
Officer Halcroft, I wouldn't say that so loud. The birds will hear you.
Don't be ridiculous. Hey!